Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to insert PDF in PowerPoint, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to insert PDF in PowerPoint. When you are in PowerPoint, select the slide you want to insert the PDF. Okay, for example, I select this slide. And after that, click insert, and then here in the text box click object icon, and then here click create from file. After that, browse. Now just select the PDF you want to insert, and where is the location of the PDF. I have one here in the desktop. Yeah, this one. Double click, and here if you want to display as icon, okay, here just after that click OK. And here you can increase the size, you can move it, and now if you click on it, yeah, it will open the PDF. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to insert PDF in PowerPoint. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.